Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on trigonometry degree level chapter hyperbolic functions, lecture number 2, in which I will derive some important formula for hyperbolic function. Now we prove a formula. Formula is square of hyperbolic cosine x minus square of hyperbolic sine x equal to 1. That is cos h square x minus sine h square x equal to 1. Since we know that cos hx equal to cos ix, sin hx equal to minus I sin ix. Therefore, cos h square x minus sin h square x equal to, this is equal to cos ix whole square minus I sin ix whole square. This is cos square ix minus square plus, and I square is minus 1 sin square ix. This is equal to cos square ix plus sin square ix. This is equal to 1 because cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, and proved. Another process. Since cos hx equal to e to the power x plus e to the power minus x by 2, and sin hx equal to e to the power x minus e to the power minus x by 2. Therefore, cos h square x minus sin h square x equal to e to the power x plus e to the power minus x by 2 whole square minus e to the power x minus e to the power minus x by 2 whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, means e to the power x whole square plus 2 e to the power x multiply e to the power minus x plus e to the power minus x whole square minus e to the power x whole square minus 2 e to the power x multiply e to the power minus x plus e to the power minus x whole square, and total by 2 square 4. This equal to, here e to the power 2x plus 2 e to the power base same x minus x 0, e to the power 0 plus e to the power minus 2x minus e to the power 2x plus 2e to the power 0 minus e to the power minus 2x by 4, and this equal to, here e to the power 2x, e to the power 2x cancel, here e to the power minus 2x, e to the power minus 2x cancel, 2 e to the power 0 is 1, so 2 plus 2, here 2 by 4, that is 4 by 4 equal to 1, proved. So our formula is cos h square x minus sin h square x equal to 1. In circular function, cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Here we have minus sign. Now we derive the next formula. Next formula is sec h square x plus tan h square x equal to 1. Now we prove this. Since we know that cos h square x minus sin h square x equal to 1, dividing both sides by cos h square x, we get cos h square x by cos h square x minus sin h square x by cos h square x equal to 1 by cos h square x, implies that this is 1 minus tan h square x equal to, this is sec 1 by cos sec h square x, implies that 1 equal to, we send this right side, sec h square x plus tan h square x. We write right side left side and left side right side. Sec h square x plus tan h square x equal to 1, and proved. Here in circular function we know sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Here just opposite, here plus. Now we prove the next formula. Prove that cot h square x minus cosec h square x equal to 1. Since we know that cos h square x minus sin h square x equal to 1, dividing both sides by sin h square x, we get cos h square x by sin h square x minus sin h square x by sin h square x equal to 1 by sin h square x, imply that this is cot h square x minus, this is 1 and this is cosec h square x, implies that cot h square x minus cosec h square x equal to 1, and proved. In circular function we know this formula, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Now we prove the addition formula. This is number 1. Prove that sin h x plus y equal to sin h x multiply cos h y plus cos h x multiply sin h y. Since we know that sin ix plus iy equal to sin ix sin a into cos b, here a is ix and b is iy, cos iy plus cos a cos ix into sin b sin iy implies that sin I common x plus y equal to, here we have sin ix means I sin hx. We know since sin ix equal to I sin hx. Here cos iy is cos hy. We know cos ix equal to cos hx. So here cos iy equal to cos hy plus here also same cos hx. Here I sin hy and this is I sin hx plus y. Here we take common I sin hx cos hy plus cos hx sin hy. Cancelling I in both sides, we get sin hx plus y equal to sin hx cos hy plus cos hx sin hy, and proved. Similarly, by using formula sin ix equal to I sin hx cos ix equal to cos hx tan ix equal to I tan hx cot ix equal to cot hx. We may prove the followings. Number 2, sin hx minus y equal to sin hx multiply cos hy minus cos hx multiply sin hy. Number 3, cos h x plus minus y equal to cos hx multiply cos hy plus minus sin hx multiply sin hy. Number 4, tan h x plus minus y equal to 10hx plus minus 10hy by 1 plus minus 10hx multiply 10hy. Number 5, cot hx plus minus y equal to cot hx multiply cot hy plus minus 1 by cot hx plus minus cot hy. Number 6, cot h2x equal to 2 cos h square x minus 1, and also this is equal to 1 plus 2 sin h square x. Number 7, tan h3x equal to 3 tan hx plus tan h cube x by 1 plus 3 tan h square x. So these are the formula derived from the knowledge of concept of hyperbolic functions. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.